2500.
Kilo 5, good for 8925.
Affirmative.
Thanks.
Cruiser 652, turn right, taxi Delta Alpha 2, landing this frequency, good day.
Delta Alpha, ramp with you, 652.
Cruiser 5648, Philly Tower, runway 27 left, line of point.
Runway 27 left, line of point, Blue Street 648.
American 758 maybe on Sierra. We still need our numbers.
American 758 Heavy, roger. Just hold short of November, and let me know when you get there. I might move you again.
Short November, and then I'll let you know American 758.
Cruiser 5648, runway 27 left, sliding 265, clear for takeoff.
Heading 265, clear for takeoff, runway 27 left, Blue Street 5648.
American 1752, heading 265, contact departure, good day.
Good day, American 1752.
300.
Delta 8925, right at the high speed, Kilo 5, and then Kilo 6 to Cargo City.
Alright, Kilo 5, Kilo 6, Cargo City, Delta 8925.
Plus your flight 90, reduce your final approach speed.
Slow to final approach speed, correct.
Thanks, Frontier 90, there's the RJ landing runway.